Hi, Doonienistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick what fits in my Dooney Bourke ostrich leather kiss coin purse in the color plum wine. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this cute little item, which is featured in my first purchase of 2019, then I will leave a link below so you can check out that video along with some other items that I picked up as my first purchases. So if you are interested in seeing what could fit in this cute little coin pouch, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay, so just a very quick overview of this little kiss coin pouch. It has this beautiful Dooney Bourke logo plate that is backed by the beautiful Sierra leather with a tan type stitching. Very beautiful. It has this gorgeous stitching on the bottom just to give it a little dimension. And as you can see, it is a pretty decent size. If you take the size of my hand versus the pouch, it is as large or larger than my hand. So it is a really, really nice size to be used as a cosmetics case or just a little grab and go piece for when you just need to run in the store or just run a quick errand. So again, as you can see, this is the ostrich print. Absolutely beautiful, and it is embossed. It's not real ostrich, it is embossed leather, but absolutely beautiful. The craftsmanship on these items, or pretty much any Dooney item, is absolutely amazing. So as you can see, the closure is a little kiss type lock here, hence why it's called the kiss lock. It's very easy to open. You just snap it like that. And on the inside, guys, is a lot of room, and there is adequate organization on the inside. Here there are 3 card slots. There's 1, 2, 3. And on the other side, it is the exact same setup. You have a larger one here, and then you have some little slips here. All lined with the beautiful ostrich leather on both sides. A very, very nice amount of room on the inside. So let's do this. Let's go in and see what we can fit. So the first item that I am going to try to fit is my keys with my key fob and my little vintage coin purse, my AirPods headphones, a full-size lip gloss, some toothpicks, a mini hand sanitizer, a flash drive that I use for work, some hand lotion, some of my favorite green tea packets, some eyeglass cleaning wipes, and my ID and credit cards. Okay, so now let's see how comfortable we can fit some of those items into the coin pouch. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to put in is my IDs and my credit cards. And then we're just going to put that there. And then here is just my other card that I use for emergencies if I need to. And as you can see, those fit perfectly. And on the other side, so since I don't have any more cards, I am going to put my green tea packets in this slot. And you guys, you don't necessarily have to use these for credit cards. You know, I know they're called credit card slots, but you don't necessarily have to use them for credit cards. So On this side, we have my green tea, and then I have my IDs and my credit cards on that side. And let's see, now let's try to put our keys inside. And I'm just gonna put those here. And as you can see, that fits perfectly. So the next thing I'm gonna try to put in are my ear pods or AirPods. They're kind of like wireless headphones. So I am going to stick that there. And let's see, next I'm gonna go in with my lip shine here. And it is getting tight. So I am going to try to squeeze my hand sanitizer inside. Let's see if we can fit that there. Okay, not bad. A little bulky. A little bulky. So I may have to, I can push my keys over a little bit, but I may have to change this around and maybe do it this way. Okay, so pretty much I just turned my AirPods and my hand sanitizer to the side. And I normally would not put hand sanitizer or any type of liquids in any of my bags like this that have the cotton. But this is just showing you what could fit, not necessarily saying that these are the items that you have to put inside of your kiss lock. And then I have some toothpicks here that I just always keep with me. Some flossers, so I'm going to stick those right there. And let's see, I have a flash drive that I'm going to try to squeeze in here that I use for work. So I'm going to just squeeze that in there right in the corner. As you can see, this thing holds a lot. So next I am going to put in my roses, my laminated roses from my grandmother's grave, and I am just going to stick this right in front of those card slots. So as you can see, it is pretty full. So now the test. Let's see if it's gonna close. Closes perfect. So there is not much bulk at all, even with all these items inside. But if I wanted to make it a little bit more comfortable and I had to take something out, it would probably, the choice would be my hand sanitizer or my AirPods. So I'm going to take out my hand sanitizer, and I have a standby little antibacterial moist, so I can just stick that here. And then I still have my little sanitizing items. I have my AirPods, I have my keys, I have my flash drive for work, I have my flossers, I have my banking cards and ID, and I have my green tea. So now, let's see. Perfect. And as you can see also, there's not a space there like it was before. Absolutely cute little card case. And as I mentioned in my last video, guys, I have many of these, but I tend not to pull them often because I can't quite figure out what to do with them. So I think I have just found my answer. This is something that I can carry, like I said, if I want to be on the go. I want to run into the store and don't want to take my full-blown handbag. I can just grab this out. I have my banking information. I have my ID. I have my keys, I have my earbuds, pretty much anything that I would need if I were to need to run a quick errand. And also I think this would be something very cute to carry if you are in a training seminar or a training session or something like that, and you want to leave your bag in the car, but you want to carry some of your essentials in here. And this will not hold a phone. It will hold if you have an iPhone 5, which is back in the day iPhone 5. It will hold that, but as far as an iPhone 7 or a 6 or a 8 Plus or anything like that, from what I have discovered, it will not fit into this. It will not comfortably fit into this coin pouch. So anyway, again, this is what we have. And I know I did feature some lotion in here. So I would have to remove something to put this lotion in. I would probably have to remove my ear pods. So let's see this here, and I probably have to remove this from now. Okay, so let me show you. It will fit comfortably. It will fit, and then I can take, let's see, I still won't be able to fit these in. Oh, I can put them on top, and then I can put my lip gloss on top. Let's see, let's turn it this way. You guys, that fit. A little bit bulky, but if you absolutely had to, I am going to a play next month, and this would be perfect to take in to the play, still look classy, still be cute, and still hold all of my essentials. So again, as you can see, this has pretty much everything I need. So perfect, perfect, perfect. And if you had, let's see, I think we have some more room on this side. So if we wanted to put some cash inside, you can put your cash in one of the other slip pockets here. And it is nice and hidden. So you guys, I think I have figured out what to finally do with these coin purses. So anyway, guys, and I hope it helped you make a decision if you are looking to add 1 or 2 or 3 of these little coin purses to your collection. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.